I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You cannot install Google Play as a native app on a stock iPhone. Start by choosing your route. First, verify your iOS version and device model so you know compatibility. Next, back up the phone to iCloud or to a computer. This safeguards data if anything goes wrong. Finally, decide. Use a cloud Android session for web-based Play access with minimal risk, or prepare to jailbreak if you need a more integrated emulator. Know that jailbreaks change system behavior and can void warranties. If you chose the cloud route, open the Android streaming service in Safari or its app, create an account, then sign into Google Play inside that session. This gives immediate Play Store access without altering iOS. If you chose jailbreak, research a tool compatible with your iOS and follow its detailed guide. Disable passcode and find My iPhone before connecting to your computer, then run the jailbreak utility. Once jailbroken, install a trusted emulator or package manager that can run Android environments and accept APKs. For cloud sessions, open Google Play in the streamed Android, install apps to the virtual device, and add web or app shortcuts to your iPhone home screen for quick access. For jailbreak setups, install the Android emulator and sideload Play-compatible APKs into that environment, then sign into your Google account. If you encounter errors, authentication, app crashes, or performance issues, first clear caches and retry. If problems persist, restore your iPhone from the backup you made or remove the jailbreak to return to a stable, supported state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.